Hey guys, my name is Aditya and this is my submission for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript week 7 and the project's name is network. So these are all the specifications that I am required to follow. This is my app and I've initiated my app for you. This is the login page for my app. Okay, so first of all, if you need to access the app, you either need to register an account or log in an account. So I'll just register a new account for you. So I'll just take it as an example account, and mail ID is example at the rate gmail.com, and the password would be like 12345, just keeping it easy. Okay, so I've registered a new account. So I'll start with the specification. First of all is the new post. Okay, so as soon as you log in with your account, you pop up on the all post icon. So you have a functionality of creating a new post. So I'll just create here a new post. Hi, my name is example. Okay, as soon as I post this, my post is on the top order because it is posted as the latest post. Okay, so this is my post, and as you can see the specifications here, the my username and the contents of my post, okay, with its timestamp and other functionalities that we will be discussing later. Okay, so the new post is done and the next is the all post icon. Okay, so as soon as you log in, you first land on the all post icon. So all post contains the post of all the users that have an account on this website and have posted something. Okay, so the next part is the profile page. Okay, so you can either view your profile only or you can view any other's profile. In order to view your own profile, you can simply click here example. So you'll just land on your own profile, and this is a username, this is your following and followers, and down here you will see the only those posts that you have posted. Okay, so right now my following and follows are 0. In order to view any other person's post, you can simply go on their post, and like I want to see the accounts post. Okay, I'll go on account, and this I'll see the account which username is only account. I can see its post, and I can further follow this account. So by the click of follow, I can follow this account. Okay, so the next part is following. Okay, so right now I followed the account. Okay, so as I followed that account, that post would now be displayed in my following part. Okay, so the difference between the all post and the following is just that the following will contain only those posts of those accounts that I'm following. Okay, you can furthermore go on the account and unfollow this account also, so that's also a functionality. Okay, so the next part is the pagination part. Okay, so the pagination contains that only 10 posts would be contained on the first page, and you can see the further post on the next pages. Okay, so the next part is edit post. Okay, so edit option is only available to those posts, those are my posts. So this post is mine post. Okay, so I can edit this post but not this one. Okay, because this is not my account. So I can click on edit. I have an option of what to edit, so I can clearly write here that hi, my name is example and this is updated. So as soon I enter edit, my this post is now edited. You can see that hi, my name is example and this post is edited. Now this change is furthermore reflected everywhere, in my all post also and in my own account also. Okay, so the last part is like and unlike. Okay, to like a post, you can simply click on this button, this heart button. As soon as you click on this button, this post will now be liked. Okay, so the number of likes are now increased. In order to unlike this post, you can simply click this button again, and this post will now be unliked. Okay, so as this one post has already one like, but this post is not liked by me, I can go further and like this post. Okay, so this post contains now 2 likes. Okay, so one more functionality that I have added is the comments options. You can see any person's comments on which the post are. Now this is a new post, the account's name is new, and people have posted comments on this, and I can also go further and comment something on this, and the comment content and its timestamp will be shown here. Okay, so this was my app, and thank you.